got company in my kitchen, so I gotta act right, y'all. I gotta act right. Sisters, and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you an immune boosting drink that I normally make help me through the cold and flu season. I know that we all are self-quarantined right now, and self-care is so important. So this is something that you can also do as something soothing. So if you find that, you know what, as we're moving out of that cold and flu season, and now we're going into allergy season, and you find that you got that scratchy throat because of your allergies, you have that postnasal drip, you have a sinus headache, you know, you have all of those symptoms and the sinus pressure also. If you have those symptoms, this drink is subsided so that you're not constantly having to always use medication in order to subside those symptoms. We're gonna go ahead and get into making my immune boosting honey lemon ginger tea. Okay, so right now what I have in front of me so that I can show you is I have a 3-inch ginger root. I have 1 lemon, and I also have, we have 100% raw honey. Was purchased from Walmart, which is not sponsored, y'all. Okay, but we praying. And here I have in my tea kettle, I have boiled some hot water. Now, everyone has a different type of blenders, and my blender, as you can see, it and here actually, it has a glass canister. If you have a plastic canister, I would strongly suggest that you let that water cool a little bit and before pouring it in, because the plastic canister cannot handle the heat. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and peel this lemon and this ginger for our tea. What we're going to do is this lemon right here, we're going to take these ends off, and then we're just going to peel the skin off. We're using all of this lemon because the white part of the lemon, believe it or not, is, oh my goodness, it has so nutritional properties. And so we want to have as much of this as we can. So you just need to just take your time, okay? Just take your time. You're cutting this. It smells so yummy. Yeah. Basically, it will look like this when you're finished, okay? All of the natural goodness is right there on it. So then we're gonna go ahead and slice it up. And you need it, and you're going to have to take the seeds out too. I don't use the seeds. Some people do. Keep the seeds in. The more you cut it up, the better it'll blend. I believe everybody has their theories, okay? Let's put it in right in the blender. I'm gonna go ahead and peel the ginger root. Now, with this ginger root, I will tell you, it is easier to peel some and then start cutting off the knobs so that you can cut it. So if you're able to, because some people just use a spoon, see, and just take that skin right on off. Comes right on off, see that? And spoon. Then if you wanted to take the knife, some people, you know, peel it like a potato. You know, they just peel it like a potato. You know, I have aunties that can do this. That is just their beast. My mother, oh my gracious. And then for the vegetable grater, I myself, I'm not gonna lie, this is one I like. Yeah, oh yeah, and this way it does make a little bit more of a mess, but that's okay. That's okay. I can clean it up. I can definitely clean it up. So we'll go ahead and we'll cut the center of this knob. As you can see, I'm using a knife because I'm making a mess. So I said, you know how you do stuff different because you got company. Yeah, I got company in my kitchen, so I gotta act right, y'all. I gotta act right. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this up. And that's what it looks like. Now that our ginger is now peeled and ready, so you don't want the pieces to be really chunky, because I'm gonna tell you right now, y'all, you're gonna be mad. You're gonna call me up, and well, no, you're not gonna call me up, but you're gonna you're gonna end up saying, Allenia, you didn't tell me. You're gonna write. You have to do it to your taste. So the first, I would say, start off with an inch of ginger, your whole lemon, and then work your way up. Because if you're one that doesn't like things spicy, then this right here, this 3 inches is gonna take you out. It's gonna take you to another place. And I don't want to be there with you. But you wipe off your cutting board so that you don't get the pieces of the skin. Even though it'll be blended up, you'll be okay. What did I say? You'll be okay. So now I have everything in there. It smells so yummy. Oh my gracious. So now I love the reason why I purchased this honey from Walmart is that it has this rubber spout that helps to keep it from clumping up at the top, and I'm able to guide it. Now me, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, Allenia counts, and I usually go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, that is how I do it. That's it. Okay. So now we're going to add our water, and I'm going to do approximately, it's usually around 2 cups of water, or just eyeball it. Okay. Now also, this crush some ice in it and make a little slushy drink. So this tea can do some stuff, y'all. Can do some stuff. Because this is still warm, what you want to do is make sure that you add more liquid through this spout. The reason being, the pressure from the heat, when you pop this off, it will explode back on you. So that's just a safety trick. Okay, which mostly everybody knows. So we're going to go ahead and blend. All right. So you look at it. Remember what I said. Open it up from the top. Okay, and y'all, it smells so good. Oh, jeez. Doesn't feel like anything is in there. Oh. All right, so this could use a little bit more honey. So I probably will just add a little bit more honey. So I just tasted it, and then I'm going to blend it up again because I want it a little sweeter. Okay. Okay. All right. So it's starting to cool down because of the fact that I've been blending it. So let's go ahead. I love that frothy look. Now you can put this in any container that you choose. All right, canister here. All right. Thumbs up if you're thinking about trying some ginger in your drinks. It could be a tea, it could be a smoothie. I'm telling you, this drink is so good. Oh, so yummy. It's so yummy. Look at Wait a minute. Haven't done that since I've been on here. I got a shade at least once. All right. There's some good stuff. This is good. It's so good. Honey, lemon, ginger tea.